Let's go back.
Welcome back to That Ain't It. It's Hannah. Hey, welcome back to another video on That Ain't It. This week we have something fun in store. If you're a kid or have the mental age of a kid, we found this really cool thing. It's not in English, but Ikea have these fort things that they sent out, and so we each took a different one and we decided to try it out to the best of our ability. And I'm excited. This is gonna be really cool. So for my fort, I'm building the house fort. Basically, what it is I'm gonna get out a table and a couple blankets and put them together and stuff. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show you the process of that. Probably most of the time lapse. But yeah, so you can kind of see what we're working with.
Hey guys, welcome to That Ain't It. What? Back with another video. Crazy, right? So today we're building forts, and we're all three building different types of forts, and I'll just show you guys what it will look like at the end. So I'm not going to show you what it looks like now, but I'll show you all the material that I have, and then we'll just get started building.
Voiceover Hannah is back! Yay! Okay, so what am I doing here? I'm building a castle. To be more competent than I am, first you need 4 chairs and you need to angle them together, and then you need some sort of long pole. I used a lamp because that's all I had, and then I draped a blanket over it, but warning, this did not work really well, and there was holes everywhere and it kind of sucked miserably. And so then I just decided to put as many pillows as I possibly could on the bottom floor. Yes, these pillows are all for my bed. Don't judge me. I like pillows. So just make it as comfortable as you possibly want. I don't know why I did this. I just showed you my pillow. Okay, now I was trying to cover the holes because it was a little too bright and too open. So I just went around my fort and I covered up all the holes that I could to hide any from the darkness.
All the supplies. I don't have a giant teddy bear, so here's a giant Pegasus thing. I got 2 blankets, 8 books, a lantern, and kind of 10 clips. Now it's time to actually get building it. So I think I might have messed up just a little bit, so I think it has to attach in the back, because right now you can see all the way through. So I'm gonna have to bring it around, and it might be a little shorter on this table. Yeah, let's see. So that's looking actually pretty good for the base of it. Now I guess I just mostly decorate. Oh wait, I need more books on there. Where'd the books even go? I don't know why I needed that many books. 4 books held it just fine. All there is left is to put the unicorn in there and the lamp. But it's looking pretty sad, so I'm gonna spruce it up a bit. Okay, so I brought you guys down lower so you can see me stringing up the fairy lights. They're a wiry mess. Okay. I do not like doing fairy lights. That was difficult. Also, it's not really comfortable, so I'm gonna put some blankets down and pillows, so it makes you actually want to stay in there instead of being on the hard tile. So as you can see, I made it just a little cozier. Now for some of the final touches. Giant teddy bear that is not a teddy bear, which goes right here. Oh, there you go, the lantern.
Okay guys, so we got the materials. We got the sheet. What? The bobby pins to attach the lights and connect things on the sheets because I don't know where my clips are, so it could be a big mistake. And then we're using my rope string as rope. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm going to build my fort over my swinging hammock chair that's in my room. So I'm gonna put the sheet over it and attach lights and stuff. So hopefully it works out. I was gonna put on this pole thing and do the real thing, but yeah, that didn't work out. So we're using this and we're gonna see how this goes because I feel like it could be really exciting, or my whole fort will be destroyed once I start swinging. But the goal is to be swinging with the fork. Fork? Oh, what? I mean fort. Weird. Okay, let's get started. Got our sheet. Oh shoot. I'm not tall enough. Let me get a stool. Okay, I got a stool since I'm super short. What? I mean, I'm really tall. Okay, we're not using the rope, we're just gonna tie it because that's easier, right? Yes. I don't know what it is. It looks really bad. Let's just keep going and maybe it will look better in the end, right? Probably not. Does that look good? And now it kind of looks like a... no, I got nothing. I have no idea what it looks like. I'm a basic white chick, so of course I have fairy lights. I don't know what I'm doing. I think it looks good. We'll see in the end. You guys probably like, wow, you're really bad at building forts, and you're right.
And this is the outside of it. As you can see, it's mismatched. It looks nothing like the photo, but the photo was just full of lies. Okay, this is what the inside looks like. Yay! A dark, creepy cave that's slightly comfortable. And oh my gosh, Hannah, what is on earth is this camera angle? I am getting sick just watching this. Obviously, this is just the inside of my fort, and yeah, it was pretty fun to make.
So there is the finished tent. Not tent, oh my gosh, why do I keep saying tent? Fort. And now you gotta see it when it's dark. Here's the fort from the outside. Now, get ready for a sick fort montage.
Hey guys, welcome to my crib. The house tour is coming soon, but I built it myself, the whole thing. It took a really long time, but I'm so excited for you guys to finally see it. It's so cool. Here's the fort. Ba, 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 ch, pa, pa, pa. Look at them nuts. Look at that chair. Look at them books. Yeah, it looks really bad. Kind of looks like a cloth hanging from a hanger. Yeah. Okay guys, now for the final test. Can we swing in it? Or at least sit in it without it breaking? Kind of nervous. Oh, ooh, who is she? Bob the Builder could never. He can never. So don't even come at me, Bob the Builder. Wow, this is actually kind of cool. I kind of look like a ghost that you may or may not see in your nightmares coming for you. But I think it looks pretty sweet.
Kind of fun to make? Sure. Is it definitely too small for me? Yes. My legs are kind of extremely hanging out the edge. Yep. I don't fit. So I guess if you were I don't know, 2 feet tall, you'd fit. It's really hot. I'm not a big fan. So, I mean, you can do it if you want, but I would not recommend it. The layout just doesn't work for me. Like I said, it's too small, and I'm in a sit-up position right now, and it's very hot, so I'm not enjoying this. Okay, y'all, I hope you enjoyed that video. It wasn't all that much fun to make. I'm also sweating to death. This is not a good thing in the summer unless you have a fan. But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed. It was a lot of fun to make. So don't forget to leave that hate comment. Reminder, we do post every Thursday. So please leave your support and check us out again. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe down below. Bye. Ow. Okay guys, bye.